Hi, hi everyone. Good morning. Welcome back. So, guys, as part of the today's session, I just want to show you how exactly we can convert this particular test into a parameterized test. So, instead of passing the data directly here, I just need to pass the data as part of a parameters. So, how I'm gonna do that? Whatever the test browser program is there, okay, the test browser program is there. Copy this program, paste it again as the second program. Okay, sorry. So paste this program again with the test browser too. Okay, and maximize this. So here, first of all, I need to handle the data. Okay, I need to handle the data. So here, what I'm doing right now is I was just creating a get data method. So here, def get data. This is the method that I was creating, and this get data is returning the data. Okay, this get data itself is returning the data. So what type of a data it's gonna return here? It's gonna return the two sets of information. The two sets are username comma password. So what I'm gonna do right now is let me navigate it to the Swag Labs. Okay, on this application here, the username is gonna be the standard user and the password is gonna be the secret sauce. The similar way, okay, the similar way for the second sets of data also, the username is gonna be the locked out user and the password is gonna be the secret sauce. These are the two sets of a data. So you are returning it in a list format. Okay, you are returning it in a list format. So here, this is the username and this is the password that you have on this particular get data. The next thing that we are gonna do right now is whatever the test that we have at this time, this test should work on, okay, a parameters. Okay, PyTest dot a parameterized test, and the parameters that you're gonna use here is username comma password. Okay, these are the username and a password, and the data that you have is from the get data method. That's fine. And here for this particular function, you need a username. For this particular function, you need a password. Here, instead of this particular standard user, you need to pass on that username. Instead of this particular secret sauce, you need to pass on that particular password. That's it, guys. So I have defined the two sets of data and I'm asking my function to run it as a parameterized test. And when I run this program this time, it launched with the first sets of data. Okay, it launched with the first set of data and it terminated it. And it launched with the second set of data and even it terminated that instance. So it ran with the two tests and the two tests execution is successful. Okay, this is the way how exactly you can create any number of sets of data and you can run your program on all those sets of data. Okay, this is the way how exactly you can use this parameterization concept, guys. Okay, thank you. See you again in the next session. Bye bye.